Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings, and in today's video I will show you on how to change default app gallery on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Android phone settings. Next thing you want to do is to click on search right here. Go ahead and type in defaults. Then hit on search. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on default apps. Go ahead and proceed with default apps. Go ahead and click on more defaults. Then go ahead and click on gallery app. Then here you go. You have all apps in your gallery that you can use to operate your gallery right here. So you can either switch from AI gallery to Files by Google, and it's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Android phone settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.